Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, gazaga squaji mekag, indun jaba. The Ojibwe word for December is Manidoo-giizisoons. It's the only Ojibwe month that uses a diminutive. Giizis means sun or moon, and giizisoons is a little one, so the little moon. And it's kind of at the end of the Ojibwe lunar calendar, and it's at the beginning of the season of winter. And this is a moon when we begin to see more northern lights, and it's considered a very sacred and spiritual time of the year. The following month, January, is Gitchi Manidoo-giizis, meaning Great Spirit Moon, whereas December is Manidoo-giizisoons, the Little Spirit Moon. And so those two are connected to one another in the Ojibwe frame, thinking about winter as a sacred time, when we're telling legends, when the northern lights are most active, and so forth. Manidoo-giizisoons, the Little Spirit Moon. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.